Minimalist elegance in gray. The living room embodies sleek, contemporary sophistication with a monochromatic gray palette. A spacious L-shaped sectional sofa in soft textured fabric dominates the space, inviting relaxation. Across from it, a sleek white entertainment unit, adorned with built-in LED strip lighting, houses books, artifacts, and stylish electronic gadgets. The room is anchored by a geometric patterned rug that contrasts subtly with the smooth marble flooring. Soft, sheer curtains frame the floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing a gentle diffusion of natural light, while a sculptural pendant light adds a modern touch. Every detail exudes minimalism, balance, and refined elegance. Gray living room with bold geometric accents. This contemporary living room balances sophistication and bold aesthetics. The walls are painted in a soothing gray tone, providing a neutral backdrop for the dark gray L-shaped sofa. Geometric elements define the space, from the bold patterned curtains to the textured wallpaper behind the TV. A striking white entertainment unit with open and closed shelving elegantly displays books, decorative pieces, and electronic gadgets. A black and gold coffee table adds a luxe touch, while a statement floor lamp provides focused illumination. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allow ample daylight to highlight the intricate herringbone flooring, completing this stylish yet cozy setting. Chic monochrome lounge with jolly partition. This living room seamlessly blends modern aesthetics with functional elegance. The monochromatic color scheme features a sleek gray modular sofa paired with a white coffee table that adds contrast. A bespoke jolly partition with intricate patterns elegantly separates the living room from the foyer, creating a semi-private yet open feel. The TV wall is adorned with a minimalist entertainment unit, featuring both open shelving for display and concealed compartments for storage. Overhead, a sculptural chandelier with brass accents enhances the contemporary ambience, while patterned gray curtains and a plush area rug complete the sophisticated look. Urban loft-inspired gray living room. Drawing inspiration from urban loft aesthetics, this contemporary living room features industrial chic elements. The walls are adorned with raw gray concrete finishes, adding texture and depth. A charcoal gray sectional sofa sits atop a sleek black and white patterned rug, creating a cozy yet edgy atmosphere. The floating wooden entertainment console extends along the wall, providing stylish storage solutions. Exposed black metal beams add to the industrial character, while geometric pendant lights hang from the ceiling, casting dramatic shadows. A large abstract painting in shades of gray, white, and black brings an artistic focal point to the space. Scandinavian-inspired gray living room. Infused with Scandinavian charm, this living room combines simplicity with comfort. The soft gray walls set a calm and airy tone, perfectly complemented by light oak wooden flooring. A plush gray love seat sits against the backdrop of a sleek white entertainment unit with open shelving, creating a visually clean and inviting setup. Cozy knitted poofs provide additional seating, while a round marble coffee table adds a subtle touch of luxury. A neutral-tone geometric rug ties the space together, and floor-to-ceiling linen curtains diffuse natural light, enhancing the warm, minimalist ambience of this Scandinavian-inspired retreat. Elegant gray living room with metallic accents. Timeless elegance defines this gray living room, where luxury meets contemporary design. The plush, tufted gray velvet sofa is complemented by a shimmering metallic trimmed rug, adding a sense of refinement. The polished marble flooring reflects soft ambient light from a stunning chandelier overhead. A custom-built white TV unit with gold-trimmed shelves offers a sophisticated storage solution, while metallic patterned curtains frame the large windows, infusing the space with a sense of grandeur. Subtle gold and silver decor elements, from the coffee table's brushed gold frame to the elegant wall sconces, add depth and visual interest to this elegant contemporary retreat. Contemporary Zen living room in gray. Designed for tranquility and balance, this contemporary Zen-inspired living room embraces soft gray hues and minimalist aesthetics. A low-profile gray sectional sofa rests against a textured concrete accent wall, evoking a sense of calm. The floating wooden entertainment console maintains a clutter-free space, while a shoji-inspired jolly partition subtly separates the living area from adjacent spaces. Indoor plants bring a touch of nature indoors, complementing the warm, diffused lighting that enhances the serenity of the space. A simple round coffee table and a woven floor cushion encourage mindful relaxation, making this living room a perfect sanctuary for peace and harmony. Luxurious gray and silver living space. Bathed in shades of gray and silver, this living room radiates opulence. A plush velvet gray sectional sofa, adorned with metallic accented cushions, sits atop a high-pile abstract patterned rug. The TV wall features a sleek, white floating media console, illuminated by soft ambient lighting, while silver-trimmed geometric wallpaper serves as a sophisticated backdrop. A sculptural glass chandelier glistens from above, casting delicate reflections across the space. To one side, a modern accent chair with chrome-finished legs complements the polished glass coffee table, completing this glamorous yet contemporary retreat.